Hello everyone, tie the ponytail. Now roll the hairs like this upward and fix it using the bun pin. Fix it on the right side. Now tie the hairs on the top and roll it down and fix it using the bun clips, and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs on the back and make the ponytail. Now take this hair clutch and then rotate the hairs and fix it like this. So first tie the hairs from the bottom, roll it upward and fix it like this. And your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Now put this bun clip on the left side like this. Now roll the hairs on the right side and fix it from the bottom section. Fix these beautiful clips on the sides and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. Now fix this hair clip. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts and roll them and fix them on the top one by one. After you are done with it, we will tie the hairs on the top all together. Tie it using a rubber band and fix it using the bun pin, and your bun is ready. Next, tie the ponytail and fix the bun clip on the down section of the hairs. Tie the hairs on the top like this and fold it down using the bun pin, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail and fix this hair clip on the hairs. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts, roll them using the fingers and fold them upward and fix it inside the clips. Now tie the hairs on the top and roll it down and fix it, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail like this first and then roll the hairs. Now fold it upward one by one and fix it using the garter or beautiful clutches like this, and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs. Now using the fingers, roll the hairs like this on the sides and fix it using this clutch, and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Now using this bun stick, we will fold the hairs and fix the pin in the between, and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then fold it upward. Now fix this bun pin on the rubber band and roll it down like this. Now tie the hairs on the top, fold it down and then fix it, and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.